G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's cooking time again, and today I'm going to whip up a delicious Parmigiana. Who doesn't love one of these things? Now I'm using a gluten-free breadcrumb, but you can just use a normal everyday breadcrumb for this. So anyway, let me show you what I'm using. So for this, all I'm using is, you'll need some chicken. I've got some eggs here. I've got some of the breadcrumbs here. This is a gluten-free one, and I've used it before, and it's not a very good one. But I've got some pizza sauce here as well, some cheese, I've got some ham, and I just got a few other things which I'm going to use to help make this breadcrumb taste even better. Now this one to me, it's not a very good gluten-free breadcrumb, this one. It's really hard and chunky. It's got some really big chunks in it. So today I thought I'd blend it down a little using the old blender just to make it a little bit nicer. So put some of that in. And you can probably see how coarse that grain is. It's not good enough. There's better ones out there, so you just got to find them. But I'll add a bit of garlic into there, because that's chunky too. And, well, I'm going to add some salt in there as well, just because I can. And some white pepper. I do like white pepper. It's really nice. I'm pretty sure they use it on KFC too. So, stick this in. Let's hope this blends. Hopefully that would have helped just make this crumb a little bit finer, which it looks like it has. Alright, well, better start getting this chicken ready. Okay, so this chicken is fairly thick, and we don't want it like that. No way. We want it sort of thinner. Well, at least the same thickness all over. So I'll just put some plastic over, and now I've got my hammer. And I'm just going to flatten it out until it's all the same thickness all over. Doesn't take long, actually. I think you'd be surprised. But that's how long it took. Beautiful. Sweet ass. I just put the plastic on there so this wouldn't get all dirty, it wouldn't stick, and mate, dramas. And now we need to make like an egg wash. So we'll get that bowl in, crack the eggs in there, give that a mix. Oh, and while I'm at it, I should probably start heating the oil. So I've got oil in a pan here. Now, you want it pretty hot. Which one's that? This one? No, that one. Right, I'll turn that up. Get that heating. And I'll put these crumbs in a bowl. And now, just get the chicken and soak it in the egg here. Wonder what came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, without an egg, you couldn't have a chicken. I'm guessing the egg came first. Right. Maybe there was a nuclear reaction somewhere and turned the egg into a chicken. But anyway, we'll coat this piece of chicken in the crumbs now. And this oil sounds like it's ready. Now we just need to fry this piece of chicken until it's golden brown all over. And hopefully cooked in the middle. Alright, well this is looking fairly brown underneath, so yeah, half brown at least. I can always flip it back over and give it another go on that side. How is this going? Well, that's what it should look like all over. So, well, it's coming near the end of the cooking time, which is good. And I reckon that'll be ready now. So, we'll just put it on a piece of paper there just to drain some of that oil off. And well, this tiny bit on the end broke off. So, well, let's just see if the chicken's cooked all the way through, which it is. You ripper. And now it's time to start getting this ready. So we've got the pizza sauce here. I just spray it everywhere. It's all right. So put some of that on, spread it out. That's gluten-free too, you know, FYI. And now we get the ham, also gluten-free. Well, I certainly hope it is. Pigs do eat wheat, so, interesting. We'll have to find out about that. Get the ham on there, and now we just add the cheese. You could use big chunks of cheese if you wanted to. Now this is a pizza blend, this one, but I'm just using that today. You could use those big round bits of mozzarella. You could use whatever you want, my friends. Alright, well, what I should have done is actually remove this from the paper, because this is actually going in the oven. So put that back there. This cheese can go right in my mouth. I'll turn on the grill. Well, at least I hope that's the grill or the broiler. Alright, well that looks like it's turning red. Slowly but surely. So we'll grab our Parmigiana and we'll stick it under there, and we just want to grill the cheese till it's nice and bubbly and brown on top. That shouldn't take too long, but while that's happening, I've already boiled some potatoes, so let's whip that up. Mashed potatoes, that is. And well, we'll put plenty of butter in there and a dash of milk. Now I always do add salt to the water when I'm boiling my potatoes, and I leave the skin on too, because, well, you waste half the potato really if you get rid of the skin, don't you? Might as well leave it on there. It adds good fibre, all the nutrients, flavour. What else has it got? Well, save your time peeling them, that's for sure. Now the kids won't like it, but hey, tough luck. Tell them to make their own dinner if they're not going to eat the skin on the potatoes. Right. Look at that bubbling away. And you can hear the fan in my oven. Brand new oven, and it makes a fan noise. Well, hang on. The fan's not even working. Where's that fan noise coming from then? Hopefully that should be ready now. Oh, yes. Perfect. All right. Just plate this up. Serve it up with some mashed potatoes, maybe a side of vegetables too. And there you have it. Your chicken parmigiana is done. Cooked beautifully in the middle. Oh yeah. You little ripper! Well, I hope you enjoy your chicken parmigiana as much as I'm going to be enjoying mine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.